Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. Today's video is about creating or using the web search API to listen your blog. Suppose you want to build a functionality where you want to give the option to the user so they can listen the blog instead of reading it, or rather than reading it, they can listen. How we can build this functionality, I will give you a basic example that you can make your own. Use the complete string or the web content to give the opportunity to user to listen it. Let's create two files, index.html, and in this one I'm going to use HTML5 and then index.js. Okay, so here we are, and now I'm going to close this, Control Shift bracket, and here I am, a button, read words. On click, read function we will call to read it. Find the reference of script tag, script src index.js. Okay, then let's move to index.js. Here we will define a function, and this function is a speak function. This will accept a message and a language. Let's make it default enus, and let's build constant message, and message will be new. Speech, type u, and it will complete it for you. Message, so speech synthesis utterance, and we are going to provide the message to language, and language will be the language that we will be providing. Default is US language, and then we will just call speech synthesis. Notice the speech S word is in lowercase. Remember this, otherwise your code will not work. Okay, and we will pass the message. Okay, so far this is completed. Function, let's build the read function. In read, I'm going to write okay, let's call the speak function, and in this provide the text that we want to be read. This reading is using JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript SpeechSynthesisUtterance. Okay, speak. Okay, thank you for learning. You can even define this thank you for learning in British. You can just pass the en-br. Okay, let's go and run this with open live server. Here we are. When you click it, this will read the complete text. Let's